Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable the Insider program for the OneDrive. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click on the up arrow. You now need to right click on the OneDrive cloud icon and click on settings. You now need to go across to about and simply click on this checkbox here. And this will enable the Insider preview updates before they are released. And you now need to press OK. And that is all you need to do. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.